My name is Barbara Balcom and I'm out here at Guarantee RV in Junction City. Today I'm going to show you a really beautiful trailer. It's a Coachmen Apex. Let's take a look at this floor plan. First of all, you've got this very nice couch that's going to fold out into a bed. It's got an awesome horseshoe dinette that again is going to make into a bed. And you have storage all the way around here. Nice solid table, a light above it. And a terrific kitchen. Take a look at this. You have all this counter space, a double sink, lots of drawers and cabinets. There's a great big cabinet here for your pots and pans, a nice oven, range top microwave, and a good sized refrigerator. Plenty of stuff that you can pack in there. This is really nice. So you've got this beautiful television that you can sit right here and relax. It also will come out and pivot, so if you're sitting at the table, and speaking of tables, what a great table to play cards. Let's come down here and take a look at the bedroom. So one of the things that I find nice about this particular setup is that you do have a front window. And this is a nice long bed, so if there's someone in the family that's 6 foot tall, they're going to be able to take a nice nap. There's great wardrobe on each side, lots of cabinet space in the top. It's just a nice layout. Cross ventilation in these two windows, and this was a good idea. So we've been able to put a big bed in a smaller trailer because we don't have that swinging door. Come back here and take a shot at this from this direction. Here we go. Voila. Take a look at that bathroom. Isn't that nice? It's bright, it's clean, it's convenient. It's got lots of cabinets in it, great places to store your things. Lots of counter space here. And it's got this nice closet. I'm going to step back here so you can see that for yourself. Doesn't this feel like a big trailer, something that might be 30 feet or better? But you know what? It's only 26 feet long. It's a 265. The model number is a 265 RBSS because it has that great big beautiful super slide. It's got an outdoor kitchen. It's got frameless windows. It's got dual axle. Here's your outside shower. All of your hookups are right here where it's nice and easy. Here's your discharge outlet. It's got this nice long slide on it. And you got this great pass-through. So let's do this. My name is Barbara Balcom. I work out here at Guarantee RV. This is a 265 Super Slide. It's an Apex product. Come on out and see it. My number is 541-521-4232.